Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from Revolut to Binance. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then you have to click on crypto option from the bottom bar. If you don't find this crypto option, you have to click on this hub, and after that on this screen you have to scroll down and under this wealth section you will find crypto. You have to click on it. Then you can use this search bar to search for specific currency that you want to transfer. So I will just click on this search bar and then search for Bitcoin because I'm transferring Bitcoin. Then simply click on it and then you will see this similar screen. From here click on this send button. After that you have to click on this new button at the top of your screen. Then from this pop-up window select crypto wallet and then click on got it. After you do that you just have to paste the wallet address in this area from your Binance app. So open up your Binance app and then click on this wallet option. After that you have to click on this deposit, and from here simply search for the cryptocurrency that you are receiving. In our case we are receiving Bitcoin, so I will just click Bitcoin from here. You can search for it and then it will ask you to select a network, so just select the same network that you have selected in your Revolut app. After you do that you will be able to get your wallet address, so just click on this copy button right next to your wallet address and then go back to your Revolut app and then paste the wallet address in this area. You can also name this wallet as Binance if you want, or you can also leave it blank and then click on continue. Then it will send a 6-digit code to your registered phone number in your Revolut. So just enter the security code or verification code in this area and then it will show you this pop-up window. So before you transfer the full funds to your right account, you need to consider sending a small test amount. So just send a small amount before you transfer full amount. So just click on got it and then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on send button, and then it will give you the summary of your transfer. So just make sure wallet address, network and amount is correct and then click on send. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency or your Bitcoin will be transferred from Revolut to your Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.